Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day out here. Figured I'd take you guys for a little cruise. I know I haven't done no street bike stuff in a good it's been a good minute because I got some stuff going on with that, but you know, just wanted to bring you guys out, do a little countryside cruise, check out the cows, all the farmland out here, all the richy houses. See if this guy backs out in front of me. But, you know, sometimes you just got to get out and take a nice little cruise, see the horses, all the farmland. Still working on getting me that piece of land so I can build my own racetrack and stuff like that. Some of the moto videos. Getting a little cloudy, but it's not too bad outside. But yeah. Got the Ducati out today. Got a Supermoto. Pretty cool. KTM. Love my KTM. About the railroad tracks. Alright, they look pretty smooth. A lot of cool stuff down here to look at. We have so many people moving in from other states and stuff like that kind of getting crowded down here. That and the people don't watch for nothing, man. If I can figure out where I'm at, might head out to the dam, go check that out, see if we can find some gators. I think it's almost love bug season. I don't know how many more bike rides I'm gonna get before I gotta put it away for like a month. And then for anybody out there that does not know what a love bug is, they kind of look like lightning bugs, but they don't light up, and they like stick to each other, and they literally serve no purpose, and then they die, and they just splatter all over your car, but they eat the paint. The only way to kind of get them off is with like wet dryer sheets. It's something in the dryer sheets that takes them off. I gotta be honest with you, I have zero clue where I'm at. That's a big ass house. Oh, look, a Lambo. Not too often you get to see one around here. Can't tell which one it is. Nothing like a nice way to spend $200,000, but definitely beautiful. I had the money, I bought one. don't know though, man. One thing I've learned, especially riding this thing, is anything that comes from Italy is high-ass maintenance. I don't know, maybe I get me something German, like a Porsche or something. But even then, I don't even know where they're made now. I know I'm pretty sure they're part of the Volkswagen group. Who these guys are. They got any vests on? Can't see. The mirrors on this bike suck. I like to delete them, I just haven't got around to it. Hopefully the next video I do up on this bike is heading down to Sanford to finally get my change oil light turned off. I was kind of hoping that they would have released like a scanner that was affordable, but they did not. I looked into the Snap-on scanner. It was $3,000, like $3,500 for the scanner, and an extra $1,000 if I wanted the Euro 5 cable. I'm just gonna save myself a ton of money and pay the 80 bucks to get them to clear the light. Then hopefully at a later date they'll start selling them up on eBay like they do for the older bikes. Back to the scenic route. Watch it down through here, it's really sandy. A lot of people here today. Normally I come back in here and there's nobody here. More than likely the chances of seeing gators now is a slim to none. I ain't gonna be here long enough for them to bitch at me, so. Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the ride with me, and I always appreciate you guys sticking around to oh, let me grab my key, it might help. Appreciate you guys always sticking around for the videos, even though sometimes I put them out there boring. But you know, if you guys are liking everything I've been doing, you know, do me a favor, go down below, hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.